Well, it's a real pleasure to have people coming into fellowship in the church, and I'm going to have Liz introduce herself to you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Elizabeth Gilbreth, and the way that I came to this church was through Gloria Norman. I had asked her about marriage counseling, and I had heard some word about her husband, Chuck. And I basically was after Chuck to help save my marriage, and that's how I got here. And come to find out that I knew God had another plan, because he said, that you so worried about Chuck and think Chuck can do my work, I'm going to send you to the church where you can learn your own self, and maybe if you come across and get married again, you'll know how to handle it. But, and another thing, this church, I've been to a lot of churches, and like I had mentioned in beginner's class, you know, I was digging all these holes and going here and going there and back and forth, and then I came here, and I've been here, coming here a little over a year, and dug a hole, and I finally hit the well. It's where I found my water, where I could make my own water come up, and that's how I got here. I'm very glad to be here.
Well, we're really happy to have you, Liz. It's going to be a real blessing. The gifts that God has in your life are going to be a real blessing to the church. And so we welcome you to Shiloh Delta Valley Church. Okay? God bless you.
You too.